What is up, guys? This is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater, and I got something very exciting in yesterday that I wanted to show to you. The RS3000, also known as the NX9. I have two of these bad boys. I don't know anybody in the country that has these. I got super lucky. My guys over at JVC were able to hook me up with two of these. I've been begging for them for months. And as you've seen, we've only been able to deploy one, and I've shipped one out to another customer out in New Jersey. But I now have two of them in stock and ready to go. This is 8K E-Shift, ISF certified THX. I'm going to include all of the information about this particular product in the description down below. If you would like to purchase this item, we do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. This is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. Thank you for watching.